Want to lose weight the healthy way? It starts with your mornings. Today, we're breaking down the 3 best breakfast recipes for healthy weight loss. They're delicious, easy to make, and proven to keep you full and energized. What you choose to eat in the morning sets the tone for your energy, focus, and well-being. So, let's jump straight in. Our first recipe is the Divine Parfait, a high-protein Greek yogurt parfait that's both delicious and energizing. Start with 1 cup of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein to boost your metabolism and keep you full. Add a handful of mixed berries, blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries. They're loaded with antioxidants to fight inflammation and support your health. Sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds or ground flax seeds for fiber and omega-3s, which help you stay satisfied and energized. Top with a small handful of nuts or low-sugar granola for crunch and healthy fats. Layer the ingredients in a glass or bowl: yogurt, berries, seeds, and nuts. Repeat until full. As you build your parfait, take a moment to appreciate the colors and textures. This is mindful eating in action. Eating slowly and with intention helps you connect with your food and your body. The protein and fiber in this parfait work together to keep you full, stabilize your blood sugar, and prevent cravings. This breakfast isn't just about weight loss. It's about starting your day with energy, clarity, and self-respect. You can swap out fruits with the seasons. Peaches in summer, apples with cinnamon in winter. Add a drizzle of raw honey or a sprinkle of cacao nibs for variety. High protein, high fiber, great for metabolism. This is the science behind the ritual. Try it tomorrow and feel the difference in your energy and mood. Remember, wellness is built step by step with conscious, mindful choices. This is your first step toward holistic health. Eating well is not deprivation. It's an upgrade for your body and mind. Choose foods that support your highest good. Your breakfast can be a new creation every day, so prepare it with love, eat it with gratitude, and watch your energy soar. This is more than a meal. It's a tool for transformation. Try it and notice the shift in your body and spirit. Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. The Divine Parfait, your first step to holistic wellness. Prepare, enjoy, and feel the transformation. Let's move on to our next recipe. Your journey continues. Our second recipe is the veggie omelette with avocado, a breakfast that fuels your body and mind. Start with 2 or 3 whole eggs. Eggs are a perfect source of protein and nutrients, especially the yolk. Whisk the eggs and set an intention for your day as you do. Chop a mix of colorful vegetables, spinach, bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Saute the veggies in a non-stick skillet with a touch of coconut oil or ghee until soft and fragrant. Pour the eggs over the veggies and let them cook gently, pushing the cooked egg toward the center to allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath. When nearly set, fold the omelette over. Plate the omelette and add half a sliced avocado on the side. Sprinkle with sea salt and pepper for flavor. The combination of protein from eggs and healthy fats from avocado keeps you full and focused for hours. This breakfast stabilizes your blood sugar, supports your mood, and helps you avoid energy crashes. Protein plus healthy fats equals long-lasting fullness. That's the science behind this meal. When you eat with intention and gratitude, you elevate your meal from food to nourishment. Try adding fresh herbs or a sprinkle of feta for variety. The veggie omelette with avocado is your tool for a powerful, present morning. Make it your own, experiment, and discover what fuels you best. Eating well is about thriving, not just surviving, and this breakfast sets you up for a day of clarity and calm. You are the master of your energy, so choose foods that support your focus and vitality. The veggie omelette is your daily act of self-respect. Try it and notice the difference in your mood and energy. Make breakfast a celebration of nourishment. The veggie omelette with avocado, fuel for your best self. Prepare, enjoy, and feel the transformation. Let's move to our final recipe. Your journey continues. Our final recipe is the weight loss green smoothie, a quick, powerful way to start your day. In a blender, add a large handful of spinach or kale for a nutrient-rich, low-calorie base. Add half a green apple or a handful of pineapple for natural sweetness and digestive enzymes. Toss in half a frozen banana for creaminess and potassium. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed for fiber and omega-3s. Pour in 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk or water as your liquid base. Blend until smooth and vibrant green. As you blend, set an intention for renewal and energy. Pour into a tall glass and appreciate the color. It's the color of vitality. This smoothie is detoxifying, fiber-packed, and low in calories, perfect for healthy weight loss. Drinking your greens is a satisfying way to flood your body with nutrients and start your day fresh. The fiber supports digestion and keeps you full, while the nutrients help curb cravings. This smoothie is about abundance, not deprivation. Customize it. Add protein powder, almond butter, ginger, or turmeric for extra benefits. On busy mornings, skip the sugary cereal and take 5 minutes to make this elixir. It's an investment in your energy and well-being. The green smoothie is your reset button, perfect after an indulgent day or whenever you need a fresh start. Drinking this in the morning sets you up for empowered choices all day. Make it your own, experiment, and discover what works for you. The green smoothie is your daily act of self-care. Try it and notice the difference in your energy and clarity. This is how you honor your commitment to health. Make breakfast a celebration of nourishment. The green smoothie, your elixir for a vibrant day. Prepare, enjoy, and feel the transformation. These 3 breakfasts are your tools for healthy, energized mornings. Choose one and start your day with intention. Your journey of conscious nourishment continues. Let's wrap up with a few final thoughts. You're on the path to holistic wellness. Keep going and celebrate every step. You've got this. These 3 breakfasts are delicious, science-backed, and perfect for healthy weight loss. Try one this week and notice the change in your energy and appetite. This journey is about progress, not perfection, and each is a ritual of self-love and intention. Choose one meal at a time to honor your body. Your relationship with food reflects your relationship with yourself. Let it be built on love and nourishment. Fuel your body with high-vibration foods and watch your energy and spirit soar. Explore these recipes, make them your own, and share your journey in the comments below. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more healthy recipes. Continue to shine your light. Until next time, be well and stay blessed.